In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your PayPal account to Grailed. This is an essential step for anyone looking to buy or sell fashion items on Grailed, a platform known for its wide variety of men's fashion and streetwear. By integrating your PayPal account, you ensure smooth and secure transactions. First, let's make sure you have both a Grailed account and an active PayPal account. If you haven't already, head over to Grailed's website and sign up for an account by following their straightforward registration process. Similarly, create a PayPal account if you don't have one. It's a widely accepted and trusted platform for online payments, offering buyer and seller protection. Assuming you have both accounts set up, log into Grailed. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. This is usually accessible by clicking on your profile icon or your username. Once there, look for the Account Settings section. It's typically located in the drop-down menu that appears when you click on your profile image or name in the top right corner. In the account settings, you'll find various options to customize your Grailed experience. Focus on the Payments section within your account settings. This is where you'll link your PayPal account to Grailed. Click on the option that allows you to add or edit your payment method. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal information here. Make sure your PayPal email is correct to avoid any issues when buying or selling items. To verify and complete the connection, you might be directed to log into your PayPal account. If so, enter your PayPal credentials, keeping your login information secure as you do this. After logging in, follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection. PayPal may ask for confirmation that you want to link your account with Grailed, so be sure to approve any such requests. Once the integration is successful, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Grailed account is now linked to PayPal. You can test the connection by attempting to purchase a low-cost item to ensure everything is working smoothly. Remember, your PayPal is now your primary method of payment for transactions on Grailed, making everything more convenient. If at any point you encounter issues or have further questions, both Grailed and PayPal offer customer support services that can help resolve any technical difficulties. Feel free to reach out to them if necessary. By taking these steps, you've not only streamlined your buying and selling process on Grailed but also added a layer of security with PayPal. Enjoy exploring the diverse world of fashion at your fingertips, knowing your transactions are set up for success. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping on Grailed.